make chef's plate today, which we've been doing for the last 3 weeks? 4 weeks? Because we're riding out the referrals, and it's easier than buying groceries. Today, what are we making? Chow mein? Lo mein? Oh, chef's plate gives you this recipe card. It's got everything you need. And then we go into the fridge. Sweet and sticky cauliflower. So is this vegetarian? Comes in a brown bag with all the things inside. Whoa, this one has so much stuff. So, is this peanuts? Soy sauce, ginger puree, sweet chili sauce, red pepper, some bok choy, some cauliflower, green onion, and nudes. Chop, 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 chop. Got a pot of water boiling and a pan heating up. Not hot yet. So we're almost done. That's the veggies. Those are the noodles. And then we'll mix them together. And there we have it. Lo mein. Cauliflower. Delicious.